What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Marquise here at the Orlando Science Center. I'm joined by Zach, and today we are staying sharp as Literacy Month continues. And tell me about the apparatus we got set up.
Yeah, so we have two different beds of needles. You can see we have our California King and just our twin-size bed here, both attached lovingly to ping pong paddles. And we have a balloon here, and as you can imagine, needles plus balloons typically doesn't mean a good thing. But magicians have actually been using a really cool science principle to create illusions for the masses for generations. If you have a magician and they want to lay down a bed of needles, it won't hurt them for some reason. As you can see here, it's also not hurting my balloon. That's because the weight is being evenly distributed amongst this entire balloon. Each head of this needle here is really, really sharp, and it could hurt you if you're just on one individual needle. But this weight is being evenly distributed amongst all 80 needles here. So you can see, no matter how hard I press down, it's not enough to poke through our balloon because that weight is being distributed. But you can probably guess what's going to happen if you use just one needle, and I'll let you do the honors.
Well, I'll guess what happens, but you guys can see it here firsthand in 3, 2. Yeah, that was a shock. It pierced my ears, not just the balloon. Huh?
yeah, it definitely. So it's going to pop, and that's because that same amount of force that we're pressing down on 80 needles is all of a sudden being pressed down on that one sharp needle point, and that is enough force to actually pierce through the skin of the balloon. So magicians have been doing these magic tricks for years, but they're actually just science experiments that we can recreate.
Where could folks, or when could they come see this experiment?
Yeah, so they can see this on our discovery stage up on the 4th floor. This is our mind-boggling science show. We go through a bunch of different magic tricks that are actually just those science experiments that we talked about. This one and about 5 others.
Okay, we got a wide variety, and I'm hoping to see it, and I'm hoping to see you guys all here at the Orlando Science Center. But for now, I'm Marquise for the science of it. Back to you.